Are you looking? In recent years, the demand for single-bowl kitchen sinks has surged, thanks to their seamless functionality and modern aesthetic. Homeowners, renovators, and chefs alike appreciate the extra space, deep basins, and ease of cleaning that single-bowl sinks provide. This guide breaks down the top models of 2025, focusing on build quality, installation type, material thickness, soundproofing. List number: Ruvati 32-inch workstation undermount 16-gauge stainless steel kitchen sink. The Ruvati 32-inch workstation undermount sink is a premium choice for those who want style, utility, and durability all in one. Crafted from heavy-duty 16-gauge stainless steel, it offers remarkable dent resistance and soundproofing thanks to its thick rubber padding and undercoating. The built-in workstation includes a solid wood cutting board, stainless steel colander, and dish drying rack, making meal prep incredibly efficient. The single bowl is deep and spacious, accommodating large cookware with ease. The brushed finish resists scratches and blends seamlessly with most appliances. While it's on the pricier end, list number: Kraus Standard Pro 33-inch drop-in undermount 18-gauge stainless steel sink. This 33-inch Kraus Standard Pro model delivers solid performance and a sleek, versatile design. Made from durable T304 stainless steel in an 18-gauge thickness, it offers both drop-in and undermount installation options, providing flexibility during kitchen renovations. The sink's extra deep basin and slightly rounded corners enhance usability and cleaning, while the Noise Defend soundproofing pads ensure a quieter dishwashing experience. Its wear-resistant finish resists corrosion and daily wear. Though slightly thinner than the 16-gauge options, it's still impressively sturdy. This sink is perfect for homeowners looking for a cost-effective yet stylish upgrade that won't sacrifice space or list number: Kraus Standard Pro 30-inch undermount single bowl 16-gauge stainless steel sink. If you want a balance between size and strength, the Kraus 30-inch Standard Pro undermount sink is a winning choice. Built with commercial-grade 16-gauge stainless steel, it offers superior durability and a sleek, modern appeal. The deep single bowl can easily hold large pans, baking sheets, and stacks of dishes. The Noise Defend technology ensures that vibrations and clanging are significantly reduced. Cleanup is effortless thanks to gently sloped bottoms and rounded corners. With its professional-grade brushed finish, this sink looks high-end while being incredibly practical. It's an excellent choice for modern kitchen. List number: Kraus KHU 132 Standard Pro 16-gauge undermount single-bowl stainless steel sink. One of Kraus's most popular models, the KHU 132 is known for its ultra-deep 10-inch basin and top-tier durability. Made from 16-gauge stainless steel, it features the brand's signature Noise Defend padding and sound-absorbing undercoating for a quieter kitchen experience. Its large, uninterrupted space is perfect for multitasking, soaking dishes, or handling oversized cookware. The satin finish is commercial-grade and easy to clean, adding a sleek touch to any kitchen design. This sink is often praised for its outstanding value. It feels like a high-end sink at a mid-range price point. If you're looking for reliability, list number: drop-in kitchen sink, 28 by 18, 9-inch basin depth, 18-gauge stainless steel, 3D embossed surface. For those seeking a more budget-conscious option without compromising on essential features, this 28 by 18 drop-in kitchen sink delivers. Crafted from 18-gauge stainless steel, it features a modern 3D embossed finish that resists scratches and adds a unique visual appeal. The 9-inch basin depth is sufficient for most daily tasks, and the drop-in installation makes it a suitable choice for DIY-friendly upgrades. Though it lacks the advanced soundproofing of premium models,